Best ways how to get eyelash glue off without damaging lashes. Do you love wearing false lashes but dread removing that stubborn lash glue? You're not alone. Many beauty lovers struggle with keeping their natural lashes intact during the process. Don't worry, today I'll show you foolproof methods to safely remove lash glue like a pro. Before diving in, you'll need a few essentials. Grab a gentle makeup remover or micellar water, cotton swabs, a soft cloth, and a little patience. Using the right tools ensures you avoid tugging and pulling on your delicate lashes, which can lead to damage. Pro tip: make sure your remover is oil-free if you plan on reusing your false lashes. Start by filling a bowl with hot water and positioning your face over the steam. Drape a towel over your head to trap the steam. This softens the glue's hold, making removal much easier. Follow up by gently swiping a soaked cotton swab along the lash band. Don't rush, let the glue loosen naturally. If steam isn't your thing, an oil-based cleanser can work wonders. Apply a tiny amount to a cotton swab and dab it onto the lash line. Oils like coconut or olive oil can dissolve lash glue, and bonus, they are natural and hydrating for your skin. Always wipe away any residue using a damp cloth to keep your lashes clean. Never pull or pick at your lashes. This can break your natural hairs and even irritate your eyelid. Instead, allow the remover to work its magic and resist the urge to rush the process. Slow, careful movements are key to preserving both your falsies and natural lash health. After removing the lash glue, wash your face with a mild cleanser to clean the area thoroughly. If your natural lashes feel a bit dry, apply a nourishing lash serum or a tiny dab of castor oil to restore their shine and health. Take a moment to carefully clean your false lashes if you plan to reuse them. A clean lash band will be much easier to handle next time. Now that you've mastered the art of lash glue removal, why not share your results? Comment below with your go-to lash care tips or any questions you have. And don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tutorials that'll take your routine to the next level. Let's keep those lashes looking flawless together.